Happy morning and a green day to all. My experiment is entitled Production of Gas from Organic Wastes, a mimic of landfill site in the community. The overview of my experiment give you a clear realization bakit hindi dapat ikalat ang basura at dapat ilagay sa tamang basurahan na may takip. My name is Bon Daniel Fahilan, a Science 9 teacher teaching grade 9 Alastor, Aloday, Alus, Aton, Alpheus, and Antlia learners. Initially, I came up with this problem. Do the amount of gas production vary from one organic waste to another? My prediction is apple peel produces more gas than orange peel and longgan peel.
Sunod natin gagawin, yung procedure ng experiment natin kung paano natin siya i-execute in a step-by-step manner. So una po, kikiluhin natin gamit yung weighing scale ang orange peel or yung organic peel na, or organic waste na meron tayo. So ang ating sukat po ay 50 grams per organic waste. Ilalagay natin sa petri dish. Ang sunod ay ang apple or mansanas. Dapat 50 grams din po siya. Ilalagay natin ulit sa petri dish. At yung ating pantatlong organic waste yung longgan peel. Ayun, may mga buto-buto pa siya. Kailangan tanggalin. Tapos, ibigahin po natin ang 50 grams ulit. Kulang sa 50 grams kasi magaan lang ang longgan peel. Okay, 50 grams na po kaya. Kulang pa rin. Bakit kaya kumulang? Lagyan natin ng buto. Ayan, 50 grams na. Okay, 50 grams. Ito yung tatlong organic waste na meron tayo. Orange peel, mansanas, at longgan peel. So, bawat organic waste, ilalagay natin ito sa container. Ang container na meron tayo ay eliminate plus. Ilalagay natin ang orange peel sa unang container. Ayan. Sunod ay ang apple. Okay. At ang panghuli po ay ang longgan peel. Tapos, yung ating pang-apat na container, magiging control setup natin siya. Pag sinabi natin control setup, wala tayong nilagay na organic waste. At itong tatlo, magiging experimental setup. Sunod na ating ilalagay ang birthday balloon. Ay, bago ko po palang makalimutan, para ma-speed up ang decomposition ng organic waste, maglalagay tayo ng some dirt. No, ang dirt natin ay lupa. Okay. Kailangan din natin sukatin para maging fair test ang ating experiment. $25 grams lang po ang ating ilalagay. Ito po yun. 25. 5 grams. At yung ating panghuli, yung longan peel, meron din po 25 grams. Ayan. Okay, sunod na gagawin natin, ilalagay natin yung birthday balloon sa bawat container. Dapat maingat po natin ilalagay para hindi mag-escape ang ating methane gas. Sunod sa apple peel. Pangtatlo yung ating longan peel. Ang punit siya. Pagka natin. Meron pa tayong extra balloon. Huwag tayong alala. Ayan. Okay? So, ulitin ko po, ang aking experiment ay magpuproduce tayo ng methane gas gamit ang mga organic waste na orange peel, apple peel, longan peel, at meron din tayong control setup dito, water only. So, ipapaliwanag ko lang po, i-relate natin ang ating simple experiment to sustainability. Ang gagawin ko, parang imimimik natin ang landfill or ano ang nangyayari sa garbage na kinokolekta sa ating community. What will happen to the landfill, kung paano nagpuproduce ng methane gas. So naglagay tayo ng some dirt para mamimik yung landfill. At ngayon, orasan na natin siya. Actually, it will take 1 week para makita natin yung result. Ang kakalabasan nito ay dapat mapapalobo yung ating balloon.
And this is how I performed the experimental procedure. Results were recorded each day and took me 3 days to observe. Day 1, for orange peel, the balloon did not inflate. For apple peel, the balloon inflated. Production of bubbles inside the flask is noticeable. For longan peel, the balloon did not inflate. There is no evidence of production of gas. Production of bubbles are not noticeable. In day 2, for orange peel, the balloon inflated. Production of bubbles are noticeable. For apple peel, the balloon deflated. Bubbles are still noticeable inside the flask. For longan peel, the balloon did not inflate. There is no evidence of production of gas. Production of bubbles are not noticeable. In day 3, for orange peel, the balloon deflated. Bubbles are still noticeable inside the flask. For apple peel, the balloon deflated. Bubbles are still noticeable inside the flask. For longan peel, the balloon did not inflate. There is no evidence of production of gas. Production of bubbles are not noticeable. For water only, which serves as control setup, remain as is. The balloon did not inflate. There is no production of gas. This is the actual photo after 3 days of observation. I measured the circumference of inflated balloon from its widest point using a string and a ruler, and here is the recorded measurement. In orange peel, after day 1, 4. In day 2, 6. Day 3, 5. For apple peel, after day 1, 6. In day 2, 5.5. In day 3, 5. For longan peel, after day 1, 4. In day 2, 4. Day 3, 4. For water only, after day 1, 4. Day 2, 4. And day 3, 4. Analyze and interpret the data, I use line graph to show clearly the comparison of production of gas versus organic waste. Finally, to wrap up my experiment, here is the conclusion. The experiment demonstrated that gases produced from the orange peel and apple peel. Data shows on the table how the balloon is inflated in flask 1 and flask 2 with this organic waste. The amount of gas produced varies from one organic waste to another based on the data noted each day of observation. There should be enough time to decompose the organic waste as evident in flask 3, which observed with no production of bubbles. Based on related studies, methane and carbon dioxide are the gases released when organic waste are acted by anaerobes. Anaerobes are organisms that grows without air or require oxygen-free conditions to live. Methane and carbon dioxide are produced by the microbial activity of the anaerobes and the presence of organic matter that serves as food for them. Methane is the simplest alkane and main constituent of natural gas. Carbon naturally moves from one part of the earth to another through the carbon cycle, that is, respiration in humans and animals, or decomposition in microorganisms and photosynthesis in plants. Human activities disrupt the normal rhythm and cycle of carbon in the environment by producing more garbage and leftover food in every household in the community. Garbage should be disposed properly in the right container like green bins, collected by the garbage collector and taken to organic site for processes where can be decomposed properly. Carbon dioxide and methane are one of the greenhouse gases present in the atmosphere. When handled improperly, it can contribute to releasing of more greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, contributing to global warming, causing the disturbance of weather pattern known as the climate change. I therefore conclude that the hypothesis is correct and accepted.